You're driving down Claremont Mesa Boulevard after work, and crack, a rock flies up from the construction zone and chips your windshield. Now you're staring at this little star-shaped damage thinking, is this really worth fixing or should I just ignore it? You're listening to the Speedy Windshield Repair San Diego podcast with your host, Stuart Rofa. Let's get into it. Hey there, I'm Stuart, and that exact scenario happens to drivers in Kearny Mesa every single day. Today we're talking about whether it's actually worth fixing those rock chips, and spoiler alert, the answer is going to save you some serious money if you listen up. So here's what I hear all the time from folks in Kearny Mesa. Stuart, it's just a tiny chip. Can't I just leave it alone? And I get it, right? You look at this little thing that's maybe the size of a quarter and you think, why spend $50 on something so small? But here's the thing, most people don't realize. That little chip isn't just cosmetic damage. It's actually a structural weak point in your windshield. And in Kearny Mesa, man, you guys are sitting right between I-805 and I-163, which means you're getting hammered with debris from trucks every day. Plus, all that construction along Claremont Mesa Boulevard is just throwing gravel around like confetti. Now, temperature changes make these chips spread way faster than people think. Even here in San Diego, with our mild weather, you've got morning fog followed by afternoon sun. That makes the glass expand and contract, and guess where all that stress goes? Right to that weak spot where the chip is. And every time you hit a pothole, and let's be honest, there's plenty of those around here. Every speed bump, every hard brake, you're putting more stress on that damaged glass. I've seen quarter-sized chips turn into foot-long cracks literally overnight. You know what I mean? Okay, so here's how this actually works, and this is where it gets interesting. When you ignore a rock chip, you're basically setting up a domino effect that's going to cost you big time. Let's talk numbers for a second. A chip repair, we're looking at maybe $50 to $100. But when that chip turns into a crack and you need a full windshield replacement, now you're looking at $300 to $800, sometimes more depending on your car. And here's the kicker. Most insurance companies will cover chip repairs at 100%. No deductible, nothing. But replacement, you're paying that full deductible, which is usually $250 to $500 or more. Actually, wait. Let me back up and tell you something even more important. Your windshield provides up to 30% of your vehicle's structural strength in a rollover. 30%. So when you've got compromised glass with cracks running through it, you're literally reducing the protection for you and your family. Plus, California law requires clear driver vision. If that crack spreads into your line of sight, you can get a fix-it ticket. I've seen it happen right here in Kearny Mesa. Police officers have discretion on this stuff, and now you're looking at court fees and potential insurance rate increases on top of everything else. The good news is windshield repair technology has gotten really advanced. We can inject modern resins that make chips nearly invisible while fully restoring the glass strength. The whole process takes maybe 30 to 45 minutes, and it prevents that chip from ever spreading again. Okay, here's something most shops won't tell you. Timing is absolutely everything with rock chip repairs. You want to get that chip fixed within 24 to 48 hours if possible. Why? Because dirt and moisture haven't had time to get down into the damage yet. I see people trying to fix chips with clear tape or nail polish all the time. Don't do it. Those household remedies actually make professional repair harder because you're introducing contaminants into the chip. Plus, they don't prevent spreading anyway, so you're just giving yourself false confidence while the damage gets worse. Here's another thing. If you're planning any weekend trips or long drives, get that chip fixed first. Highway speeds and vibrations can turn a perfectly repairable chip into replacement required damage during a single drive up to LA or wherever you're headed. And weather matters too. You want to schedule repairs before rainstorms hit. Water can drive down into chips and cause rapid crack expansion. Even though we don't get a ton of heavy rain here in San Diego, when we do, it creates perfect conditions for chips to spread. Before I let you go, let me rapid fire a few related questions I get all the time. Can all chips be repaired? No. Chips larger than a quarter or within 2 inches of the windshield edge usually need replacement. What about multiple chips? If they're clustered together, that usually means the glass is compromised beyond safe repair limits. Does the location matter? Absolutely. Damage in your direct line of sight often requires replacement for safety reasons. Bottom line, fixing rock chips in Kearny Mesa isn't just worth it, it's essential. I'm steward at Speedy Windshield Repair, and I provide mobile service throughout Kearny Mesa and all over San Diego. Give me a call at 619-761-487, and let's get that chip fixed before it becomes your next expensive headache. Stay safe out there. Thanks for listening to the Speedy Windshield Repair San Diego podcast. If you need windshield repair or replacement in the San Diego area, give us a call at 619-761-4887 or visit speedywindshieldrepairs.com. We'll see you next time.
Clarity is on its way, making everything okay. Crystal clear the open road, lifting up a heavy load. Precision vision expertise.